Hi everyone, today is sports vocabulary. We're going to be doing some verbs connected to sport. So I'm going jogging and you're coming with me, okay? I'm super fit.
We're going to look at some verbs connected to sports, which can be a little bit confusing, and I'm going to explain these to you. So first of all, we're going to look at 3 verbs: to do a sport, to play a sport, and to go. There is a rule for these 3 verbs. So the first one is I always play a round of golf at the weekends. All right, now play is for games which have a ball. So we play football, we play rugby, we play golf. Then we've got the verb go, and then you notice I go jogging every day after work. So go, the rule for this is that we use a gerund afterwards. So I go jogging, I go swimming, ing. Okay, so look out for that ing, and then you put go with those verbs. All the other sports and activities we just use do. So we say, for example, I've been doing Tai Chi for a few years. It's a great way to disconnect and de-stress. So here you do Tai Chi. Other sports that you do yoga, you do taekwondo, all these things, you do them. Then we've got, I really need to practice my serve. Now the word practice, you can say, people do say I practice football, but it sounds a bit strange. It's better to say I play football, because practice means that you practice one aspect of the sport. And in this case, I really need to practice my serve. This is the first shot that you take when you're playing tennis. So it means that you do it many, many times and you try to get better at doing this. Okay, so you practice one aspect of a sport. Who do you think is going to win the match tomorrow? Okay, so the word win, things that we can win are a match, a game, a competition, a league, a championship. Okay, this is what we win. Then we've got my sister always beats me at badminton. It's so annoying. She's really, really good and she always beats me. So the word beat is you beat another player. For example, in this case, my sister beats me, yeah? Or you could beat another team. So Barcelona beat Madrid, okay? And this is that verb. Then my nephew held the record for high school swimming for 3 years. He's like a dolphin. Okay, so my nephew's really, really good at swimming and he has held the record. This is when you win and you keep that record maybe for 1 year until the next time there is a competition. And if you win again, then you continue to hold the record. If you lose, then the record will pass to another competitor. Barcelona played really well in the first half of the match, but then Madrid picked up and the game ended in a draw. Now, what is a draw? A draw is when the score is the same for both teams. So maybe in this game, Barcelona did really well at the beginning and they scored 2 goals, but then unfortunately for Barcelona, Madrid did very well in the second half and they also scored 2 goals. So the score was 2-2. A draw. If we lose the match tomorrow, we'll be out of the championship. So you lose. What do you lose? You lose a match, you lose a game. So you are not the winner in this case. Liverpool scored 5 goals in the match last night. They were amazing. Okay, it was a really good match. They scored 5 goals. So you score goals. You score 1 goal, 2 goals, 3 goals, or you score points. I've decided to take part in the London Marathon. Okay, this is going to mean I'm going to have to really train a lot because it's very, very hard. But I want to participate. So this is a nice phrasal verb. Take part in, yeah? To participate in a sport. It could also be used, for example, to take part in a play. This would be like at the theatre. I took part in a play. I was an actor in the play. Dave ran so fast it was impossible to catch up with him. Okay, so he was in the lead and I ran and I was trying to catch up with him, but it was impossible. He was just so fast that he beat me. I like to work out every morning for 30 minutes before breakfast. It really sets me up for the day. So I get up and I do some exercises for 30 minutes And then after that, maybe I have my shower and I have my breakfast. And after that, I feel absolutely great. You can also use it as a noun. I did a workout this morning. Okay, so you can use it as a noun or a verb. So I hope that's helped you and that now you understand all of those verbs.